Hopping back into the artisanal Sudoku archives, we are going with Nth Degree by James Sinclair. No more Sudoku rules apply. Cages show their sums, and digits cannot repeat within a cage. This is 530.3 days old. Love it. Okay. Year and a half. Let's go. Okay, so 1 to 9 in the column. Cannot draw in a column, in a row, and then in a box. And then the digits, these two digits have to add up to 13 with no repeats. These have to add up to 12. These have to add up to 23. All right, let's see what we can do. I believe this is only one option. Yep, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay, 16 only has one option, which is a 7, 9. Okay, so from here we have multiple options. So we know 9s, there is a 9 in this box. Oh, those 9s remove this 9 as an option. Okay, so we know that these cannot have 6s, no problem. All right, this one cannot be a 1, 7. What about this? So outside of 1, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so these three are going to have an 8, 9 somewhere. And probably a 7, but not guaranteed because the 7 could still be here. Okay, so this is 8 and 6 is 14 plus 16 is 30. So these three have to add up to 15 because 1 to 9 adds up to 45. So every row, column, and box adds up to 45. So this is 30, so then we need 3 digits to equal 15 with either 6 or an 8. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so no, that's not a 1, 7. So this is 2, 3, 2, 6, or 3, 5. This is interesting. And way tougher than I'm expecting. Okay, so 9 can either go here or here, here, and here. Okay, that's not it. Okay, so, all right, let's figure this out. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5 there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we know that the 8, 9 is going to be, okay, so I'm going to put them in like this, 8, 9. So one of them is going to be here, but it's not guaranteed. Because if this is, say, all right, I'm going to say, okay, if that's a 1, that's a 5. This is now going to be a 3, 4, which puts 1, 2, 3. No, so this would be a 2, 6. So then we need 7, 8, and 9 out of this one. So then this one would have to be an 8. Then that would be a 6. That would be a 9, and then this would be an 8. And then that can't be a 6. That can't be a 3, 5. So this, okay, so that's impossible. What I just did there is impossible. But, so does that mean that this cannot be a 1, 5? Is that a, I know that I was just fooling around, but this can't not be a 1, 5. So that's a 2, 4, which puts this as a 3, 5. So then this was 1, 6, 8. So those aren't 2, 4. This will be a 1, 6. So then this is a 3, 5, which puts 7, 7, 8, 9, then 7, 8, 9 here. That's a 7, 9. So this will be an 8. That'll be a 6, 9. That's an 8. Okay, so everything else is the same, but this is just a 1. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Is that cheating? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe it's just a gray area. We'll count it as a gray area. So then this can't be a 2, 6. So this will be a 3, 5. It's also possible that I could have figured that out with logic, but I'm not good enough for that. So 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. All right. So then the 8s have to be in here or here. So then we can remove the 9s from there and then 9s from there. Okay. So where's the 9? 9 could go here or here. So 6s have to be, can only be in one of those two. This. So then 8s. Oh, where's the 8 in this box? It's going to go here, which puts this as a 6, so that'll be a 2. Then we need a 2, 4. This cannot be a 4 because then that would be a 2 as well. So then this will be a 4. That'll be a 2. That's a 4. Which removes the 9 from there. This cannot be a 2, 5 or 1, 6. So we have a 3, 4, and we can do 3, 4. So that'll be a 5, 3. Okay. So this will be a 7, 9, and then this is going to be the 1. So this will be a 7, 9, which cannot be a 9 because we already removed that 4. So this will be a 7, which puts that as a 6. So this will be a 9, 7. Then we need 2, 9 up here. This could be a 1. Okay, so it can have a 3, 6. Cannot have a 4, 5. Cannot have a 2, 7. So this is a 1, 8. What about this? This one cannot have a 6, 7 or 4, 9. So this is a 5, 8, and we can place that. 8 here, 5 there. 1's going to go down there. So 3 is going to be in this column in the box because of those two, but it cannot be in the 22 cage. So the 3 will go there. All right, love it. Oh, we need a 9 in the box or in the cage, but it can't be here because of this one. So the 9 will go there. And then we can have a 5, 8 because of these two. So it's going to be a 6, 7 pair. 6, 7. So we can place, this is a, no wait, 1, 9, sorry. Then the 9 is going to be placed here, which places it with a 3. So that'll be a 7. That's a 9, which places, this is a 5. That's a 3. Okay. Then 1, 1. So this will be a 1, 5. And we can place the 5 there. 1 here. So 5s go up here. We need 1s in this. And it can't be there because we don't have there's no 11 in Sudoku. So we got 1s here because of these ones, and then this one. So 1s will go there, matches here. So where's the 1's going to be in this column? It's in those two, but because of that, it can't be here. So 1 is there. All right. So we know 2. This is going to be a 2, 4, 5, which puts this as whatever it is. That's a 7 and 9. Yeah. So that'll be a 9, which places this is a 1. That's a 9. So we have an 8 here, 1 there. Okay. Sixes will go down here. And so that's going to be a 6-8 pair because that 8 and the 6-8 pair. So then this is now a 2, 4, 7, and we can place the 7 here because of those two, which puts 6 and 7, and then we can do 2 and 4. So this will be a 5, 3, 3, 5 pair. Yes, sir. And then this is 1, 8, 1, 8. So 1, 6. And 8 goes there. So we have to have a 1 in this, but it cannot be there because the 5s. So this is going to be a 6, 7, and we can place that 6, 7. So that'll be an 8, 4, 2, 4. Then we have 8 and 6. This is a 2. Move that 2. Okay, what do we got? It's funny when I just stall. Just like engine just fails real fast for a second. 2, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, this is a 2, 9. Then this will be a 9, so that's a 7. Didn't want that. Just that. 7, 7. This is not a 4. So that's going to be a 2, 3, 5. So this will be a 3, 5. So we can place a 2 there. 3, 5 pair. Nope, didn't want to do that. 3, 5. So we need a 4, 6. 6, 4, 2, 4, 5. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. Then we need 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 5, so 4, 5, 4. This is a 5, and finish it off with a 6. Oh my goodness. Took me forever. Not forever. 12 minutes, 15, 12, 14, excuse me, even faster than I thought.